In this tutorial, I'll show you how to subdivide and unsubdivide a mesh. Let's create a UV sphere. There are two ways to subdivide a mesh. One is to use a shortcut, or the modifier, and another is to manually subdivide in edit mode. We can easily unsubdivide when we're using a modifier, but there's not much way of unsubdividing the mesh after using this method. Either way, we can force unsubdivide a mesh by using a decimate modifier. There is a hidden feature called Un-subdivide. Let's put an odd number here. When we unsubdivide by using a decimate modifier, we get this unique diamond pattern. In edit mode, let's Shift, Alt select vertical face loops like this. After removing the selected faces, we get this subdivided shape. After this, we can add a solidify modifier, and maybe also twist the mesh on the Z-axis. I'll only render just half of the mesh. I don't know if I should keep the top faces or not. Let's create a ground plane, apply metallic materials, and render the scene. I'll use the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.